Hello everyone, this is my May container vegetable garden update. Things are coming along. I'm pretty happy with some things that are happening. I have one mishap that I'll tell you about. But I have all my seedlings planted. This is one of my Black Beauty eggplant. This is one of my bell pepper plants. Another one of my Black Beauty eggplants. Now my mishap. I have a family of bunnies that like to come through and they ate one of my bell pepper plants. I'm going to replant. I also had a bell pepper that was eaten in this container. So I went and sowed some of my cantaloupe. And so this is my cantaloupe. Zoom in. That's coming in right there. Now over here is my berry section. I call it my berry section. One of my blueberry plants that I planted this year. This is my raspberry plant. Another blueberry plant that I planted this year. Now this blueberry plant, I have it covered with some bird netting. I planted this one last year and it's starting to get some blueberries. So that's why I put the netting over it. If you can see those blueberries, I'm hoping you're getting a good shot of that. Now we're coming into my tomato section. Now these tomatoes here, I actually bought as plants. These four and the one back there. I have some other tomato plants that I grew from seeds that I planted here. These are all Better Boys. And then I have 3 more Better Boys over here. And you'll notice I have some geraniums planted. And the geraniums is to help keep those bugs away. I plan on putting geraniums in the other ones as well. Here are my contender green beans coming along. Looking good and healthy. Now this container and the other big container back there, I haven't planted anything in those yet, so stay tuned. Here are my strawberries, and you notice I have a little makeshift cage, and that's because if you notice in this bed, what happened? Well, rabbit family came along and ate most of those and a lot of those. For some reason they didn't touch these, and these are my Juneberry ones right here. Back here was supposed to be my Everbearing, so I'm not sure if there's a difference in the taste to them, but they tore it up pretty good. Now that they're strawberries, I'm going to have to get this green netting right here and put it completely over the top, because I noticed the little birdies have been taking notice. I have some herbs. This is my Italian parsley. I bought that as a plant. I'm going to walk over here, and I bought a nice sage plant. It's getting really big. I bought that as a plant. And this is a basil plant that I also bought from the nursery. And to try to attract as many pollinators as possible, I decided to plant some different type flowers. I got some geraniums, some petunias. By the way, bunny rabbits like petunias. They've eaten up some of them. And over here, I'm growing some flowers from seeds. These are my zinnias that are starting to come up. My Shasta daisies have not shown up yet. And I planted some sugar baby watermelons, but they're not up yet. And I got different little bulbs planted here and there in containers. Again, I'm trying to make it so that all the pollinators will want to come and visit. And I have some lavender. I have a few rose bushes planted. So I'm hoping it's going to be a very, very productive season this year. I'm hoping you guys are having fun getting your gardens going. And stick around and click on the video that's coming up right behind this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.